Alright, got myself a little night call. Heading out about 8:30 at night. Got about an hour drive down to the unit circuit place where it does the control board. So we're gonna get rocking over here. We'll get down over there and see what we got going on. Probably a bad compressor, that's my guess. So mark my words. Condenser fan motor on. It's an old Lennox. It's got a bunch of weird writing. I don't know what these people were doing. Weird. Alright, well I didn't have the condenser fan motor coming on, so let's see what's going on. Got this headlamp. It's really bad. It's really, really bad. That's crazy. Alright, so this is literally the exact same unit that I just did the condenser fan motor on at a different building. That one that we just put up. So, very simple wiring. I'm going to check this capacitor out. Yeah, make sure these always come out. If you ever put these in, those have to come out. Most people don't do that. Look at that. Look at that squirky McGurky. Oh, weird. That's oil. Where's that coming? It's coming from that fitting. I'm gonna hook my low side up, see if there's any pressure in the system. So it's got gas in it. Alright. Check this capacitor. Capacitor has no juice in it. Show you here. Let me go see if I have one in the van. If not, I can probably just kick start it. Just give it a little spin. You can get it going usually. But let me go see if I have a 25 in the van. I'll be right back. Freon. Phone's been working. Just for testing purposes. Let me get this. I had a 15 on me, so I figured I'd put the 15 in real quick just to see if it comes on before I go all the way back down to the van. So they had some soap bubbles up here, so I soap bubbled everything just to check. I don't really see much. So, oh, there it is. Look at that. There's a leaker. Leaker right there. I knew it. You see all the fucking oil coming down. Nice. Good catch, Dennis. Good catch. Sweet. All right, I'll let them know about that too. What I did, I had a 15 cap on me for some reason in my bag, so I put a 15 cap in there just to see what would happen. It's got 14.9 in it. Now it has 0 in it. So this condenser fan motor is dead. So if I go get a 25 cap and put it in here, it's going to do nothing. The fan motor sounds like shit. So let me see what kind of motor it is. I know it's a 1 horse. But, so, and that's funny because I just did this fan motor on that other place, the exact same fan motor, and it took us a day and a half to get the motor in, and this is a critical unit. They said the head has to be running. So we told them about this a month and a half ago, about this condenser fan motor, and this is a prime example about when you tell your customer something and they do not listen to you. And I don't mean to be a dick about that, but I mean this is just point in case. So like I said, they wanted to do all this work themselves. Vacuum pumps over here, R22 laying around. I mean, I don't do shit like this. That's fucked up. So, but I'm gonna get him a new motor and we'll be good to go. Like, subscribe, see you in the next one. Some lightning, about to get stormed on. Appreciate it. Try not to let this close. Alright, I'll let it close. Alright, so they didn't want to do that condenser fan motor a month and a half ago. Get called out here at 9 o'clock at night to diagnose a condenser fan motor. It's fucked up. So, but just a good example on why customers should listen to professional technicians on their recommendations. So that's all I got. I'm gonna drive home now. Hour drive home. Like, subscribe. I know I said that again, but oh well. Have a good day. Later.